Hey folks, in this short film I'm going to make some spicy pork scratchings. So earlier today I made a pulled pork stew and I've removed the fat from the pork after it's been cut, and this is what I've got here. So using my kitchen scissors I'm going to cut the pork fat into cubes or reasonable sized pieces. So this is what I'm left with. So I'm just going to put my pork cubes in here. So I've got the scratchings in here, but now they need spicing up. So I'm going to start by adding the equivalent of 2 teaspoonfuls of ground ginger, 2 teaspoonfuls of onion granules, 2 teaspoonfuls of a German spice called schnitzel spice, or kotellet and schnitzel, but basically it's just a meat seasoning. That's all it is. Some chip seasoning from East Yorkshire, as it's known, a bit of paprika, and finally some peri-peri. So there's a lot of spice gone onto that, and now I'm going to shake these up so they get a good coating. Okay, so they're looking a bit more exciting now, but I haven't finished yet. They're going to have a little drizzling of olive oil just to wet them. Just a little bit. Sea salt. About a teaspoon. A teaspoon of sugar. Yes, it will caramelise them. Just a very, very light dusting of chilli flakes, just to give a little bit of a zip. Don't go mad, but you know, we like chilli. And then finally, to give them a nice crispy outer coating, I'm going to get some breadcrumbs. And I'm going to smash them with my pampered chef Whopper chopper. Right, I'm going to add my breadcrumbs. And then one last almighty shake. And they are not looking too shabby. So I've got an oven tray which I've lined with greaseproof paper. And I'm simply going to tip these on there. I'm just going to move them around. They look quite tasty actually. So I've got my oven on at 160. So I'm going to put them in for probably around 40 minutes, but we'll see. Just look at those beauties. Okay, I need to drain these off. I'll come back to them shortly. Well, there's only one way to enjoy a good pork scratching. Cheers, folks. Oh yes, that's right good. City. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is StuMoss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.